This is how you're going to add a payment gateway in Hostinger Website Builder. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to hpanel.hostinger.com, and then you're going to sign into your account, and then you're going to open your website project. So just click on websites from the left panel of your screen, and then from here you're going to head over to the store settings. Now on the left panel, just click on store and then settings. Now step 3 is you're going to find payment options. So inside the store settings, you're going to scroll to payments, and then you're going to click on manage. Now step 4 is you're going to choose a gateway. So you can select Stripe, PayPal, or other available options. So for this tutorial, we will be using PayPal. Now step 5 is you're going to connect an account. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on connect and then enter your gateway credentials, and then you're going to hit on save to save your credentials. And now payments are now enabled on your website. And that is how you're going to add a payment gateway in Hostinger Website Builder. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.